Hello, welcome to Kyberlight, home of the greatest custom sabers in the galaxy. My name's Jeff Johnson, co-founder of Kyberlight, and I invite you to join the revolution in custom sabers by pledging with Kyberlight today. You know, as longtime Star Wars obsessed fans with engineering backgrounds, we set out to engineer the very best combat-ready custom sabers in the industry. As we looked around the world of custom sabers, we felt that there was a huge opportunity for someone to come in and really do it right. To not only provide a high-quality custom saber that's durable and built to last, but to make it affordable and quickly available to fans of all ages anywhere in the world. And that's exactly what we've done with Kyberlight. Each Kyberlight custom saber was designed to be combat-ready. Our goal was to create a fully fightable, built-to-last custom saber, guaranteed. In fact, we do something that no one else in the industry is willing to. We offer a lifetime guarantee on every Kyberlight blade. We can do this because each Kyberlight blade was created with our proprietary plastic blend, making it virtually indestructible. In addition to the revolutionary blade, each hilt is custom machined from 7075 aircraft-grade aluminum. Nobody else is doing that, guys. These are built to last. The Kyberlight hilt comes ready with a screw-off middle, top, and bottom overlay that allow you to mix and match the custom accessories you want. Now, with our initial release, we will offer a 12-pack accessory kit, giving you nearly 100 custom build options to choose from. Next, we've developed a cutting-edge and proprietary LED technology that gives off over 320 lumens, making the Kyberlight the absolute brightest custom saber in the galaxy. What's more, each Kyberlight custom saber comes with 20 colors built in at no extra cost, from red to blue to green to yellow and so much more. There's just not anything as bright as the Kyberlight, and that's a fact. Add these multicolor features with all the accessories, and that gives you over 1,500 custom options with Kyberlight. Another unique feature that comes standard with every Kyberlight saber is the rich quality sound, including the flash on clash feature, creating the ultimate saber fighting experience. For similar or even inferior products, you can expect to pay anywhere between $650 and all the way up to $1,200. But for a fraction of that price, you get the full Kyberlight custom saber experience. The Kyberlight is the best custom saber in the galaxy. With its indestructible blade and lifetime warranty, 20 built-in colors, customizable hilt, rich stereo sound system, and unmatched affordability. Guys, our prototypes are complete and our pieces are all ready to go. Now we just need your help. Make a pledge with Kyberlight today and help make our dreams and your dreams a reality.